it's Andrea. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play this really fun number game. Keep watching. These are the materials you're going to be needing for our roll and cross game. So you need 2 boxes, tape, crayons, markers, and some paper. I made these cardboard boxes, but you can also use 2 empty tissue boxes. And our first step is going to be covering the boxes with the paper using some tape. Next step is you grab a couple of markers and you're going to add some dots on each side of the boxes from 1 up until the number 6. Okay, so I finished covering 1 box, and now I'm going to do the second box just in case someone wants to play with me. So those are done, and now you're going to want to grab a piece of paper and a marker, and you're going to write the numbers 1 through 6 going all the way down. Now we're all set to start playing the game. Now first we're going to roll our die to see what we land on. Okay, so I see 2 dots, so I'm going to go over to my paper and cross off the number 2. Let's see what number I get next. I want to get all the numbers by the end of the game. Let's count to see how many dots that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so let's find the number 6 on our paper and color it in. So if you wanted to play with someone else, you can roll them at the same time, or you can have a race to see who gets all of the numbers first.